Good morning. Today we learn class 9th physics. The name of this lesson is motion. And our today's topic is equation of motion. In the previous video, we learned about the first equation of motion. In this video, we learn the second equation of motion and how it will drive. Equation of uniformly accelerated motion. Second equation of motion. Second equation of motion is equalized to S equals to ut plus half at square. It gives the distance traveled by a body in time t. It is also known as distance equation. Let suppose a body has an initial velocity is represented by u and a uniform acceleration should be represented by a for time t. So that its final velocity becomes v. The distance traveled by the body in this time will be s. Okay. The distance traveled by moving in time t. Suppose a body has an initial velocity u and uniform acceleration e for time t, so that its final velocity v. The distance traveled by the body in time b s. The distance traveled by a moving body or traveling body. Moving body, moving body in time t. Okay, can be find out by considering its average velocity. Find out by considering its average velocity. Okay, here we consider average velocity. Average velocity average velocity, you know, average velocity equals to initial velocity added with final velocity upon 2. Average velocity equals to initial velocity should be represented by u, final velocity should be represented by v upon 2. We know that velocity equals to distance traveled upon time, or average velocity we know that average velocity equals to distance traveled upon time or time taken, or distance traveled equals to average velocity multiplied by time. Okay, in place of distance traveled, we can write s. In place of average velocity, we can put u plus v upon 2. In place of time, we can write t. So, here the equation will become S equals to u plus v upon 2 multiplied by t. Okay. Suppose this is equation 1. From first equation of the motion, we know that what is the first equation? V equals to u plus at. Okay. Putting this value in equation first, we get what we get. S equals to u plus, in place of v, we can write u plus at. So here it will become u plus at upon 2 multiplied by t. So it will become S equals to 2u plus at multiplied by t upon 2. When we multiply t inside the bracket, here it will become 2ut, and here it will become at square. So we can write here S equals to 2ut plus at square upon 2, or S equals to, we take the common, ut plus half at square. Here we got the third equation, second equation of motion, where S equals to distance traveled by the body in time or given time t. U equals to initial velocity of the body. A equals to acceleration. In this type of equation, they have given us, or in the question, the teacher or the book gives us the distance, the velocity, and we have to find out the acceleration. In another case, they have given us the two quantity, initial velocity, acceleration, and we have to find out the distance. The third case arrive, they have given us the distance traveled and acceleration, and we have to find out the initial velocity. Okay, so it is an important equation of motion. If this video is helpful to you in your study, like it, share it, and subscribe it. Thank you.